Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you frequency command from keypad in iS7 Inverter. Okay, let's go to parameter. To go parameter, press mode switch. I'll go 07 frequency reference. Now B1 means terminal potentiometer connection. Press program or enter button for more parameter frequency reference. Now I'll set 0 keypad. To save this, press program or enter keypad. Save 07 program code. To exit, press escape. Here already sense 10 Hz keypad frequency. I am showing you frequency varying from keypad. Okay, up arrow, left arrow to sense digit. Say here 1, I'll set 20 Hz. 20 Hz is set frequency. Run the motor. Motor is running. Maximum frequency set 20 Hz. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.